Please don't skip ads. Proceeds go to the School Green Minded Project, where we teach everyone on gardening and sustainable agriculture. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification. We upload videos weekly. Hey, what's up there, you guys? Welcome back to the Green Minded Project. In this project, or in this video, we will teach you how to create that perfect soil mixture when it comes to transplanting your favorite succulents. You know, succulents are so delicate, so I think it's just right to give them the perfect place or their new home when it comes to transplanting. Welcome again to this video. The very first thing that we will do is to prepare our coco coir. So we love coco coir, and you can just get that anywhere, especially of course from the coconut suppliers. And then this one is burned rice hull. Okay, so as you can see, it's so dark and it's so fine because this was burned a long time ago. So what we're doing here is we're mixing them with equal ratio. So we are using two of this rice hull in here. Rice hull is very essential in when it comes to the needs of our plant. So what we do here is we just actually combine them. The next thing that you can see here, guys, is the soil. This is actually an old soil mixture from our cactus and we find it ineffective. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna combine them and mix them to our new soil mixture. So the same thing, we're gonna get two of this and combine it thoroughly in our soil mixture. Okay, green-minded people, so what you can see here now is we're putting some perlite in it. So perlite is, they are very light, okay? So it's spelled as P-E-R-L-I-T-E. It's very good as well. And this pink thing that you can see is what will prevent our soil from insects and pests. Because sooner or later, this insects and pests will inhabit our soil mixture, but we have to protect our plants from them. So we have to combine these pink granules, and they will prevent these insects and pests penetrate the soil. Now you can see a tray here, a blue tray, and it's taped on its side. So the purpose of that will, it helps to hold the soil, of course. And what we're placing here is cocoa chunks. So we have wet this cocoa chunks, and this the first thing that we're gonna do is to layer this on the bottom, because the cocoa chunk will basically hold the water and keep the soil moistened until such time that we will be watering them again. So this is very crucial, guys, so you have to do this as well. And aside from that, this is also economical. The next thing that we're gonna do is simply put our soil mixture in here. So as you can see, we are doing now, we're placing now the soil mixture slowly and equally. So we have to distribute them all over the place to cover this whole lot of cocoa chunks. And what we'll be doing here is we're gonna fill it until, or let's say 75% of this tray. We're gonna fill them. And then we'll level it, make sure that the surface is equally leveled using your hands. Of course, you can always make use of the gloves, but I love to touch the soil, so bear with me. So this one is we are going to water now our planting material so that it's going to be ready for our transplanting. So as you can see, I'm fully watering it. Don't be scared. please fill it with water. This one, guys, what you can see here are the succulents that we're gonna transplant. As you can see there, the leaves have fallen off from its mother plant, and they just eventually grew themselves. Like they just grew up in here without us doing anything on them. And here you go, it's got a lot, so they really need a new home now, and this soil material is what we are doing, really. I'm carefully removing it because our purpose is to lessen the stress. Take note, green-minded people, that every time we transplant our plants, we are inducing stress on them, but our main goal is to lessen the stress so they can grow well, hopefully. At this time, we are arranging our succulents on its new home. And suddenly, or after that, just make a small hole in there and make sure that the roots are well covered, just enough. Don't create a deep hole, okay? And this one looks so cute as of now. We are creating a tiny hole in there and placing our cute succulent in there and making sure that the roots are well covered. There are tiny yellows that you can see in there. These are the slow fertilizer. Look at that yellow tiny circles in there. These are the slow fertilizer. When I say slow, it's being absorbed by the soil as time goes by. So basically, this will be the succulents when they grow bigger. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Our succulents are amazing, aren't they? And yeah, I hope that you can also do yours and share your photos down in the comment section below. Before we end, again, we would like to promote our merchandise. So we've got our tumblers in here. This is 300 ml and this is 200 ml. They're so cute, aren't they? So these are the Green Money Project tumblers, and every time you purchase them, every time you get them, you are helping our advocacy, wherein we help people, we help students, we go to school and teach them about gardening, about sustainable agriculture for free. So why not get one here and share your kindest heart to, of course, the children that will be learning with our advocacies. Finally, I would like to personally greet our friends who are actually watching us all over the world. Our vlogger team, the Santa Squad team, and of course, our team from Ben Channel PH. And of course, to our friends here in Thailand, we have Ma'am Mengshe Paes, who already purchased our tumblers, and also to Ma'am Lori Balig. Thank you so much. They also have, we also have Ate Aubrey. Thank you so much, Ate Aubrey, and Kuya Art for purchasing, and thank you also to Mom Grace and Sir Longer. And also special thanks to Ate Yancy Aprecio of Canada. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you again in our future videos. This is the Green Minded Project. Bye-bye.